Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lantu a bike channel. Looking for the perfect way to zip through the city? Let me introduce you to this CE certified electric scooter, your new best friend for urban commuting. This scooter packs a 1000 watt motor. It gives you smooth acceleration, great for hills. Plus, the 48 volt 20 Ah battery will give you long rides without constant charging. It's perfect for daily commutes. And the design features a sturdy frame and high-performance suspension to ensure a smooth ride over rough surfaces. Plus, our advanced rear suspension turns potholes into pillow landings. We've also got you covered the safety, front and rear turn signal. Make sure you're seen on the road, day or night. And since it's CE certified, you know it meets top safety standards. It's also lightweight, nimble and so easy to ride. Means no more sweating in traffic or hunting for parking, just hop on and go. So if you want a fast, fun, and affordable way to get around the city, this scooter is it. Drop a comment below if you are interested and don't forget to like or subscribe for more cool videos.